Morning Facebook people. I'm going to show you how I make my own sounds and voices. Radio Shack. It's a digital recording module. It's just a little chip, about 12 bucks. Comes with the button, recording, and 9-volt battery. I wired it up, soldered the wire. Real simple to do. What I want to do is I already got this labeled. This one's the step pad. Step pad. Buy them at the store, $5. Doesn't matter how you wire it. It's just a connection. Can't go wrong. Left to right, right to left. Black, red, black. Doesn't matter. Okay, that's done. Then you get your computer speakers. Doesn't matter. Cheap ones, big ones, expensive ones, it don't matter. It's your price budget. I'm cheap, so $10. But it works just fine because it's got a volume control. Anyways, same thing, doesn't matter. Just strip the wire, connect it like so. Okay, now we got that. We got your 9-volt battery. Plug it in. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Powered speakers. Okay, plug that in. Got our step pad here. Got our digital recording module. Got our speakers turned on. Not full blast yet. Anyways, the little black button is your microphone. White button is your record. Record up to 30 seconds. So, for an example. Happy Halloween. Stop when you're done. Hit the step pad. Happy Halloween. It's that simple. Say whatever you want. Welcome to my house. Happy Halloween. Welcome to my house. Happy Halloween. Anyways, that's how you do it. Pretty simple, right? Alright. Thanks for watching. You all have a good day.